me in Florida again. Well, there's been ages since I've seen you all. And this is Alfie. That is Wendy, the St. Bernard. Hi, Alfie. 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 Say hi to the nice people. Ooh. Say hi. This is the reason why I haven't been really filming very much. It's hard to grab the camera on your own way out the door. He's worse than a child. And this is Venice's dog beach. Yeah, we'll sleep very good tonight. Alfie. Alfie. This is his tail end. Alfie, you want to go in the water? So that's about the extent of it.
Looks like a Labrador. Is that a Labrador?
That's a Labrador Retriever.